In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a guest account on your Windows 11 computer. So in order to create a new account, you need to head over to your Start menu and just search for Settings and then click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Accounts and then scroll all the way down to Other Users and click this. And next to Add Other User, click on this Add Account button. Then you'll need to select the link that says I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then select the link that says Add a user without a Microsoft account. And now just decide on the username that you want to use for this account. And you can decide whether you want to password protect this account as well. I'm just going to leave it blank and hit next. So now that we've created our guest user, all we need to do is click on it like so. Next to account options, click change account type. And from the account type, you're able to select either administrator or standard user. Now this really depends on what controls and restrictions you want to set for this account. Now I'm just going to set my account as a standard user and hit OK. And now the next time we sign into our computer, we're able to switch between accounts. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.